Good morning, guys. I want to show you what I traded yesterday and an important thing that we as a day traders and sometimes we need to focus. Okay, it's really important. So I want you to understand all the aspects that involve this trade. Okay, and we call it the linearity law. What is the linearity law? We need a pattern in the long term, and in an intraday level we need a pattern in the same direction. In other words, we need a pattern, a bullish pattern in both time frames, or a bearish pattern in the both time frames. So this example is on GG and was from yesterday. So as you can see, this is my alert on TradingView. As you can see, the market didn't open, was before the open on pre-market. I was looking the big gap downs, and GG have a huge gap down. So doing a really quick technical analysis on this stock, we find this level, this really psychological level, and as you can see, this line test one time. Right here we have a consolidation again, support. So if the price crack that level, if the price breaks that level, is going to be a sell-off. Okay, we are losing control of this stock. So talking that and looking that, we have a left shoulder, a head and right shoulder, a head and shoulder pattern in a daily chart. Okay, so this is a neckline, exactly the point, the average price. So I want to get short on this one if the price go down on this, if the price breaks that. Okay, so what do we have next to that? Look at this, a big crash after the alert, going to 17.33 from the neckline breakdown to almost 15, under 15. Okay, it's at least 7% of down move. Okay, so let me show you really quick. So this is the video from yesterday. Okay, as you can see on the right side, let's focus only on the right side on this window, is GG. As you can see right here, is losing 2%, and 17.33 is our price, or the price that, if you remember on the daily chart, let me show you the daily. Right here, 17.33 is the neckline on the head and shoulders pattern. So we have right here a bearish pattern also in the intraday level. Huge move to the downside, then a recovering point and the reversal. This is a morning panic. This is a reversal panic continuation. Okay, so let me show you the. So I wanted to get short right here if we have a confirmation and the bidders came really weak in relationship with the ask. So look at this, we have some ask, some offer right there. So I'm short at 17.33 is my average price, my entry price. So right now, as you can see, I'm expected to go even lower and lower. So let's see. Also, I was concerned because we was making nice support on that level, so that could be a nice top and a fake breakdown. But what I see is that we have this exponential moving average of 9 sessions as a resistance. So if the price test and fail in that level, as it is doing right now, is going to crack that level and go under 17.20, because the linearity law is telling me that in two different time frames we have a bearish pattern. So after that, as you can see, we break really nice that level and start to crash. Okay, really nice level. So as you can see, continue. A little risky right here because we have the next pullback, and right here on the right, on the left side, I had the gold ETF GLD because it's the same sector and had the same I mean a really close correlation with this. But look at this, the gold start to crash and also GG start to crash. So start to move back down, really nice. As you can see right here, we have more and more movement to the downside, and that's awesome. Okay, so I don't have the complete video, but let me show you the chart on my TradingView platform right here. Okay, this is the 2-minute chart from yesterday. So as I said, my average price was 17.33, as you can see on the video. My execution from the short, and come on, right there, and the prices start to crash. So I took just right here after we break that level, the low of the day. Okay, was right here at 17.20. So my risk benefit was great because my risk was just over here at 17.41. So we have an excellent pattern in both time frames, so nothing is going to stop this. So I took right here. Pretty soon my position at 17.10, 11 actually was on the pullback, on this pullback. And look at this, what happened after that. The price goes to 17. We find support, and then we have this nice consolidation. But after that, we have a huge breakdown formation. So the price continued breaking down and breaking down and breaking down. And look at this big piece of crap company in that time. I mean, I'm not talking about the fundamentals, but the price action is telling you that it's super weak. Never test just twice the exponential moving average of short term. Okay, the followers of momentum, that is the exponential moving average of 9 sessions and the 21 sessions. Okay, and you look at this, never test above that levels, and that's pretty weak, and that's because the linearity law that gave you the opportunity to have more chances to happen, more probability, high probability setup, and in this case was GG. So let me explain you one in a long position. So in this example is a long setup using this law, the linearity law. So as you can see, we have XGTI a couple of months ago in May. So what we have right here is a level of big psychological issues. Why? Because as you can see, we have right here some support, then we have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. So this is a huge level of resistance. Okay, so what happened after that? We have a pullback, and bam, we break it. We break the 1.86, the big level that we were looking on the daily chart. Okay, so if we go on a minute chart, on the intraday level, this is the 2-minute chart, and sorry for the look on this chart, but I don't have the data on this kind of stocks, the right data, but looks well. Okay, so let me explain you that. This is the same exact level that we saw on the daily chart, the 1.86. Okay, so as you can see on the daily chart, we have this breakout pattern. This is the same exact pattern that we like to trade on a daily basis. Okay, so we have a daily chart pattern of breakout, and we have an intraday chart of breakout. So we have two patterns, two bullish patterns, and they add more confidence to our entry price. That's what I love the linearity law. Gave you the opportunity to add probability to your setup. Okay, so in this case, if the price breaks 1.86, we like to get long on the position. And what happened after? Look at this beauty, huge ramp up. Okay, so just in a couple of minutes we have right here going 32% in less than 30 minutes, and the high of the day was right here in 1 hour and 42 minutes, 83%, just because we have two excellent bullish patterns in both time frames. So that's the linearity law, and I want you to understand all the aspects in this kind of trades. Okay, you need to look always the daily to watch the long-term setup, and on the short term you determine your entry price. Okay, that's it. That's what you need. You don't need more. Okay, the last example that I want to show you is one of the best alerts this week. So this is my idea on TradingView. Okay, always my ideas was from swing trades maybe, or potential explosion momo stocks. Okay, so in this case was a momo stock, CPST. Okay, this is in Spanish, but a breakout plus price above the simple moving average of 200 sessions for first time. Okay, so as you can see, this is the idea. We have right here the breakout level exact at 1.58. Beautiful chart, beautiful spiker. You can see the history on this stock have beautiful spikes to the upside, so I was looking for that. What happened just after 1, 2, 3 days after the alert, moved like 20% almost on this day. So the linearity law tell me that I will trade two bullish patterns on the same stock if we have one in the bigger time and one on the short time frame. So what we have right here is 1.58, our breakout on the daily, and as you can see we have right here some kind of breakout pattern, and after that we break it with a strange movement to the upside. As you can see, explosion and volume, and right here we have the breakout, and look at this beautiful pattern. So this is it. This is what I do every day. I look for patterns on the daily chart, on the daily basis, and after that in an intraday level I look for the pattern that I trade on daily, and give me the opportunity to follow momentum with a better chances to shine. Okay, so that's it for me on this video. I hope you like it. See you next time.